So me, sana Bawumia san fa Napo a ombelusu more.
Bawumia san so fa Napo a ombelusu more.
Napo will be the worst option for
Bawumia.
Yes.
It was on for Captain Smart or can't say Bawumia no be now. For the first time, the maker say he has made some sense. With you, he's made sense, but the question to always ask me say, what is in it for? I mean, him, because they said here, also I am very very much concerned about Nekosu MPP. I am very much concerned about Nekosu MPP. Now, one will have thought say, Naka, wow, see what praise Odi Mama Abano. You will concentrate on making Mama successful. But already, Captain Smart, I said, official replacement, Mama Hammer. Now, he said, I said, attention in any focus in Abba MPP. So, I didn't open Abba MPP back and because Minister of Captain Smart, there, who call Facebook, J. Kufo, any cover picture. It's only the day I can or J. Kufo. Now, so, yeah, I don't know why he left MPP. I mean, and so does he want to come back to MPP? Or say Emma is about me winning election now, flag bearer. Race now. Emma Nick for Napo biome as a running mate. I same way there. I same young for a breaker. I don't know your views on it, but. Me too, I think it's too early for me to air my views on it. But that's what Captain Smart is saying. Now, any explanations, it makes some sense though. And see, my posting explanation, and let me know what you think about it. It's still early, but a conversation that no matter how long it takes, we might have to have at some point. And the way there, Captain Smart, I started conversation in there. Media Bremo. And let me know what you think about it. The video is up next. See you in the next one.
Ken
and Bawumia. Yes.
And say Bawumia when here, my name for Napo biome.
Hey, go you.
As
about kind of pay a problem. Bawumia when here, my name for Napo biome.
Debbie.
As running mate.
Napo tried to rebrand himself.
Okay.
But one was rebranded on a woman in political branding. They don't know what it is. They don't know what it is.
Well, you see what you should be. O say, Dr. Bawumia Winia, and my name for Napo biome as running mate.
Napo Ankasa.
Reason is saying.
Napo Ankasa no who say utunu funo betia unja politics here.
Napo should stop doing politics. I didn't hear.
Debbie, Ujaye.
But not a good politician.
You see, you cannot hit the head of your grandfather and expect your father to pay your school fees.
As a Chinese saying,
you can never hit the head of your grandfather and expect your father to pay your school fees.
Onua FM 95.1.
Won't mean ko si enya wo sase ntwa
na nakoto. Na o hwe nim so papa betu your school fees.
Obi papa da won so oboro no. Ti enfa no nsi yo.
But clearly Napo should not be the next running.
No, he should stop even thinking about politics. Napo should stop thinking about politics. Oko parliamentary prime minister obelusu.
But what will be the assertion about Ghanaians? Any Ghanaians entirely, the electorate say Bawumia waba for a second chance. Why not give a second chance to Napo?
What wa money Bawumia context in na no? Mami answer question na me.
Yes.
Napo second chance no be can is he coming to apologize to the people of this country for insulting Kwame Nkrumah? Kwame Nkrumah na your father, your grandfather no.
Mo Kwame Nkrumah.
No twa ne twede.
Okay.
Na ye Kwame Nkrumah emma no. O pese yen etua school fees.
Yen tua. E de okosi akonya.
Eti say Napo san so ba no be pa Kwame Nkrumah sa statement no make no be pa chewa. E just say wa hate He's gone against the perception of the UP tradition about Kwame Nkrumah. UP from pe Kwame Nkrumah asem omo tan no ma men kan sa UP ni bia o ye UP ni kese bia no o tan Kwame Nkrumah nyɛ sɛ omo mpe me ka sɛ omo mpe na asem Kwame me use the right omo tan Kwame Nkrumah
omo ni nani nhia
o da bi nyɛ sɛ omo ni nani nhia omo tan no. And it started from the JB Dankwa days. Into omo time no. And yes, omo hunu say omo ye political rivals. So what UP tradition ankasa a time CPP tradition no. And a sad time Kwame Nkrumah ankasa as an individual.
Yeah.
And a UP tradition in as a tradition a time no. Omo time no. But some way makasa look, Jacob for be president. Na him atu no for say. Yen ye Kwame Nkrumah no. Se wunya asem papa bia nkan fa no ho a ka wano tumu wo no ho Kufo 8 years what is so kan bibia ba kwa
dabi
wanko ho won a ewo man mu ha asori etia kasetia Kwame Nkrumah bia no hwomo wie in politics so Professor Michael Kwe wa ban na ti enwoni election na bag bi na ba wini o Kretama Napo kaseti Kwame Nkrumah Kumasi wie ye no.
De sisi echire.
Hwe ono akasa ne kasa ne nema. Ne se de ne ye bia ye. Ba men kasa mo nche one.
95.1.
Obi opeso ye politics bi anti me ye. Kwame Nkrumah ye ade bi. Sa ade bi na oye no. Oye nipa fa, bibi fa. Enti se wo nini sanya. Hwehwe na chikwan ansa. Hwe nipa bi a wonim ni fie no ye mfrɛ ne sɛ wonim no nipa bi o wa asase so a wonim ni fie no enka sɛ wonim no wo TV so enche sɛ wonim mi o
dabi
you see one person and the books or tro ye nyina University of Ghana here history department
yes
wo mtu so wo nsem Professor Fenmo etwaja to mo hye ni nyina the man is still the most popular person in Africa. Are you not afraid of him? Hwɛ dɔteɛ atɛkyɛ a UP4 ya try ase e beto atare Kwame Nkrumah ho. But wɔn kɔ ECOWAS headquarters wɔ. Wɔn kɔ AU headquarters a. Why statue ni si wɔ?
Nkrumah.
Unsuro. Nyansa Kwame Nkrumah di bu Ghana ye nyansa na so nyansa ne bi okurum ha.
I agree with you.
Enti such a person.
And ukra de nye debate kra.
Enti wunsuro no. Enti wunsuro. Ubisa ho say as of that time baby
ayetie ni nyina.
Baby ayetie, baby ayetie dan ayetimi.
Otimi envision ye.
Esiwe. GBC.
Yeah.
And to wunsuro, she moving pick dan yesi we. Wo mumbu baby amfa bibia nka ho.
And still now
we said
the modern day
golden tulip here. E wo here near Lancaster.
Yes.
Golden tulip e wo kuma say from Lancaster. She Takrady Atlantic Hotel. And to wunsuro. Wunsuro.
For how many years? Still now a city the current day.
Wunsuro. Shapam Secondary School.
Yeah.
She Winiba.
Yes.
She Swedro. She Fantaman.
Yeah.
Into wunsuro. Wunsuro. Shelegon. She Kwame Nkrumah University of Science and Technology.
Yeah.
She University of Cape Coast. Into wunsuro. She Tamamoto we. She Tamahabo. She Takrady Habo. Into wunsuro. What the auntie? Into wunsuro.
A dream man crown on this side.
Into wunsuro.
School bank one or koi.
Oh yeah, osu economics kakra we no kro kosu Bible. Kwame Nkrumah kosu theology. Into wunsuro. Yeah, see, ya woni pa bi wo ho a se obuade o so muade o yenta no wota na wupra wo ho. Said what say bia no yenta no wota na wupra wo ho.
And them na kind of pay na no deal because kojo. But then I watch videos no so near mana ekona. It looks as if the two will tango together.
No. He will be the worst option.
But so what videos?
Me say he will be the worst option.
He say okoni fie o bibia.
He will be the worst option
as running mate.
What the opa yen tron the date in Tarha and 29th.
29th, yes, I guess.
So date in it all. He will be the worst option.